Welcome to Crypto Guide, your ultimate destination for everything crypto. Today, we're diving deep into crypto mining, breaking down the process, the costs, and whether it's still worth your time and money in 2025. Is it a digital gold rush or a thing of the past? Stay tuned as we explore all the answers you need. Cryptocurrency mining. Remember when anyone with a decent computer could mine Bitcoin from their bedroom? Fast forward to 2025, and the game has changed dramatically. But the big question remains, is crypto mining still profitable in 2025? Stick around and I'll break down everything you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Crypto mining is validating transactions on a blockchain network using computational power. Miners solve complex mathematical puzzles to secure the network and earn rewards, usually in the form of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other mineable coins. Think of it like a digital treasure hunt, where your computer is racing against millions of others worldwide to unlock the next block in the blockchain. And in return, you get crypto rewards. Now, back in the early days, mining was easy. You could do it on your personal computer without breaking the bank. But as more people joined the mining race, the puzzles got harder, and the energy demands skyrocketed. Today, mining is dominated by massive operations called mining farms. Large facilities filled with thousands of high-powered machines, or ASICs, working 24/7. These setups require expensive equipment, huge amounts of electricity, and technical expertise. For the average person, it's not as simple or as cheap as it used to be. Let's talk about costs, because this is where most people wonder if mining is worth it. In 2025, the key costs for mining are: ASIC miners are highly specialized and can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 per unit. Electricity power consumption is a miner's biggest expense. And with global energy prices on the rise, mining profitability varies widely depending on where you live. Maintenance and cooling. Those machines generate a lot of heat, so you'll need cooling systems to keep them running efficiently. For example, in countries with cheap electricity, like Kazakhstan or Paraguay, mining can still be profitable. But in regions with high energy costs, like parts of Europe or the US, it's much tougher to turn a profit. Now, let's look at the rewards. Most miners focus on Bitcoin, which still offers block rewards of 3.125 BTC per block from 6.25 BTC after the last halving in 2024. This means the rewards are shrinking, but the competition remains fierce. On the flip side, some altcoins like Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, or Ravencoin still offer mining opportunities, but their profitability depends on market demand and price volatility. So profitability boils down to two things: low costs and high crypto prices. If the price of Bitcoin soars, mining becomes profitable again. But if the market crashes, miners could face serious losses. One of the biggest challenges for mining in 2025 is environmental impact. Crypto mining consumes enormous amounts of energy, leading to criticism about its carbon footprint. Many countries have cracked down on mining operations due to energy shortages or environmental concerns, but some miners are turning to renewable energy, like solar, wind, or hydropower, to cut costs and stay sustainable. Renewable energy not only helps the planet but also improves profitability in areas with low-cost green energy. Alright, so is crypto mining still worth it for individuals in 2025? For most people, the answer depends on your resources. If you have access to cheap electricity, the right hardware, and a bit of technical know-how, small-scale mining can still be profitable. But for the average person, joining a mining pool or investing in cloud mining services might be a better option. Pools let you combine resources with other miners and share the rewards, while cloud mining eliminates the need for expensive equipment. In conclusion, crypto mining in 2025 is a high-stakes game. It's no longer the Wild West of easy profits, but with the right strategy, it can still pay off. If mining feels out of reach, consider alternatives like staking or yield farming, which offer passive income opportunities without the hefty upfront costs. So, what do you think? Is crypto mining worth it for you in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Do you have questions or thoughts about crypto mining in 2025? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to Crypto Guide and join us for more insights, tips, and trends from the world of cryptocurrency. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Crypto Guide. Until next time, keep mining knowledge and stay ahead in the crypto game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.